Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the official hashtag is War Who. Who in a dancehall music right now, viewers and subscribers, is at Vybz Kartel's caliber? The answer is no one. Now, Movado recently responded to Drake. And I won't be biased. I don't know what that said. Drake said something and Movado responded. Now, in truth and in fact, all Drake said was that him nah link with Movado no more. Him say make them bridge they burn like grabber. Him say a Gaza him thing there and a popcorn him a link with now. Now Drake feel offended. Really and truly, people said the money towards the library and the computer and the youth center went towards the house and the big retainer wall. Me no know. I was not there when the money was handed over. I was not there when the funds were being spent. Now, in truth and in fact, I do not support a dancehall versus hip-hop or a hip-hop versus dancehall. Big up the dancehall artists who continue to give inspiration to hip-hop artists. Big up the hip-hop artists who continue to show dancehall music a strength. Now, Movado also said something. He said Drake a try to be a yard man. Well, in truth and in fact, it is Movado who has received citizenship for North America. Drake is just a fan of dancehall music and he's saying he's not a fan of the MVP. He's a fan of Gaza and all associates. Remember, One Nation of dancehall music. After Gaza Nation, you have Spartan, you have the Unruly, you have the Six, you have Eastside Gaza, you name it, but a One Nation in a dancehall music. Now, I will also touch this topic as well. The release dropping. I don't know if you need to go check it out. The Jump on the Beat remix with the change of beat, with the verse. The teacher said, I have never done anything to no old iguana. Yo, big up Vybz Kartel, continue to show us lyrical creativity. We can remix the track and give a different beat and different verses. Now, but I feel like so we are recycle nothing. No bone no over here for them. And I think the MVP name should be changed, because Alkaline Camp at them tell Movado to make the response upon Jigo them ready to how long it take the song to be released. And somebody write it for him and tell him, say watch you voice it, send it out here, make a mix and master it and put it out. And them tell him to respond. What you think about the response? But just listen part of it for hear what him have to say. We're some subliminal, some people are say alright, you know what I mean? Him not make some references to Vybz Kartel. I not hear no real references, you know. There's some things where we hear the opposition, that's it. I won't say opposition when I mean say they are of the same caliber. Just the opposing side in the dancehall music. Remember, there's always good and evening. So you know what I mean, you can always have that opposing force. But that means them of any caliber. It's just that the system always like for when there's a certain type of artist when them can't control, them like for either discrediting, attacking character, or even present other artists as say, no man, see the artists them the way I do it. No, these are not the artists who are doing it, viewers and subscribers. Gaza Nation, a dancehall music, a run dancehall music, and everybody I look at strength. Is a reason why the move I respond to Drake, but he must say certain things in the track. That strength him a look. Vybz Kartel I said no. Are the youths we are focused on right now. My youth them have thriving career in a dancehall music, thriving careers. Yeah. Right now I can tell you even Iko have a thriving career in a dancehall music. I'm differently from the release I would hear him from, where we hear him Vybz on the track, we not hear Iko on much music since. But when they want to be an artist, a musician, when they want to be an artist, a producer, or a music executive, because remember, both his parents have their own record labels. The independents, they are found up in a big up independent artists, independent record labels, of which there are few locally. You never think about it. Most dancehall artists are signed to nobody. They have signed management deals where people are managing their career, but record label contracts, they have signed none. Very few. Very, very few. And the few that have done so, we not see what they do with that record contract. The teacher, they are yard and have more international features than artists signed to international record labels. Who know what I'm talking about it? But no, not like me talk when I talk about the facts. But we are all the reasoning. I will just point out certain things that I feel like need to be pointed out when we are talking about what take place currently in the dancehall music. Because people like to say we are reasoning about dancehall current affairs. But at the same time, it is always a one-track reasoning. Now, I say what I say about Vybz. Vybz make him response. Drake never actually call Vybz name. So him try to do him best. But don't do it. But him go far. He must say, yo, you try to be yard man, and he might go outside. While in truth and in fact, we hear Vybz rap all the while. We see him take picture with the rappers. We see him dress like them. In truth and in fact, he might try to be a rapper. So he might go tell somebody else that they might try to be a yard man. Drake is a fan of Jamaican culture. I'm a non-stop said, big up all people who reside overseas. The Caucasians, the Asians, the Africans, who love and support dancehall music, even though they are not citizens of this country. How Mov want to do? Tell the tourists them to stop support dancehall music. Mov, easy. Easy Mov. You not do nothing for dancehall. You not do nothing for dancehall. I am just not a supporter of a dancehall versus hip-hop. It wouldn't good for the music, it's not good for the culture. You know what I mean? Because in a music right now, from the birth of reggae and dancehall have many siblings and stepchildren. From dubstep to house music to even rap and would I say rap? I don't know if you're gonna say R&B. I don't know if you want to take it to that level. But stakeholders of the hip hop industry and the dancehall and reggae industry have said yes, we have made direct contributions to that genre in specific. We hear Jay-Z them say, yo man, that's true. So Jay-Z I walk with Junior Gang through Ream and I say, yo, say Bob them music. I don't know if you Jamaicans know how powerful Bob's music was and how influential it was to even people who do not sing reggae. You might hear them a rapper or sing R&B, but you don't really know. Say what you know? Say Bob music. Them have Bob music on repeat. There's no surprise why on the iTunes charts. As soon as the latest song, the attention wears off from it. You know whose song as a single is back at number 1? Bob Marley's single from his remastered album. Yeah, every time I see it, if you know nothing about iTunes, if you purchase music, especially dancehall and reggae, you would know this. Yeah, you would know this, or you would notice this. So in the music right now, currently, we have to give thanks for the international support, but we will never sell out our culture. So Mov being a dancehall artist, I am not supportive of Mov. I am a supporter of dancehall. I mean, I think about what is good for dancehall music. Mov load or something. You even signed to DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled's latest productions are with Drake. How is this even possible that you would make a response track and release it outside of your record label? Khaled are gonna get upset. Khaled are gonna drop in. Khaled are gonna drop you from the label. May I tell you? I know, you know why I know? I'm certain for a fact Khaled are gonna drop you from the label for this. I'm certain. You know why? Because you're not selling the albums. Khaled used the signage of Movado for dancehall certification. The show say what you know? We not just say we are fans of dancehall. We actually try to help some artists and I try way. You know what I mean? And him link up with Mov. I don't know what every other dancehall artist him link up with Mov. But him link with Mov. And him try. But Mov work ethic is not there. Because it's these hip hop producers, they might put out music at a certain interval, but them want artists to record music every day and I send them music. Remember in a hip hop music, Mov can even sing a verse or sing a chorus or sing a hook and it might catch you and bring a certain vibe and Mov might and Khaled my ears and I say, yo, this might not be a song, you know, but we can use it as an ad-lib and a project that will bring money to your pocket, that will bring notoriety to the dancehall. Because if you depend on some of the big hip hop features with Drake, and people just hear your dancehall voice and they say, wait, what a sound who the artist there? And then that's the dancehall music, but not even that you now do. Low Drake and low dancehall music. So teacher say I focus on the mute them. You know how long your daughter says she want an artist? You know how long, what's she name, Daniela? Mama want an artist from how long? She say her father do it and I say she'd love to be a musician. And you wouldn't even give her a ad-lib for one of your song them. Not, you wouldn't even feature in a video different from the first video them time the way I try to show people say you have youth. Other than that, nothing. Vybz, hey. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancer correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you, know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but I like the reason, of course, I like the point of view, subscribe. Subscribe the button there, icon right close. Do what you have to do. Share icon in close proximity as well. Share the vlog. Until the reason again, viewers and subscribers, you know the sentiments. First and foremost, I move settings, I'm gonna need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.